suspended solid present in the wastewater generated in blast furnace gas cooling and cleaning plant is removed by A. Biological oxygen pond. B. Radial settling tank thickener using coagulant lime and ferrous sulfate. C. Lagoons. D. Filtration. The correct answer is radial settling tank thickener using coagulant lime and ferrous sulfate. Persons working in cement plants and limestone quarries are more prone to disease like A. Cancer. B. Asthma. C. Silicosis. D. Fluorosis bone disease. The correct answer is silicosis. Particulates. 1. M-size remaining suspended in air indefinitely and transported by wind currents are called A. Fumes. B. Mists. C. Smoke. D. Aerosols. The correct answer is aerosols. Operating principle of cyclone separator is based on the action of dash, 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 dash. Dust particles. A. Diffusion of. B. Centrifugal force on. C. Gravitational force on. D. Electrostatic force on. The correct answer is centrifugal force on. Exposure to small amount of dash, 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 dash results in high blood pressure and heart disease in human beings. A. Hydrogen sulfide. B. Mercury. C. Cadmium. D. Asbestos. The correct answer is cadmium. Maximum allowable concentration of CO2 in air for safe working is dash, 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 dash ppm parts per million. A. 50. B. 1000. C. 2000. D. 5000. The correct answer is 5000. Tolerable limit of nitrogen oxides in air is dash, 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 dash ppm. A. 0.1. B. 1. C. 5. D. 25. The correct answer is 5. Iron and manganese present as pollutant in water cannot be removed by A. Ion exchange process. B. Oxidation followed by settling and filtration. C. Lime soda process or manganese zeolite process. D. Chlorination. The correct answer is chlorination. In water chemical treatment plant, use of chloramines ensures A. Disinfection. B. Taste and odor control. C. Weed control in reservoirs. D. Removal of permanent hardness. The correct answer is disinfection. Which of the following is the common pollutant emitted from metallurgical smelters, thermal power plant and cement plants? A. NOx. B. Hg. C. SO2. D. F. The correct answer is SO2. During which of the following operating conditions of an automobile, carbon monoxide content in the exhaust gas is maximum? A. Idle running. B. Acceleration. C. Cruising. D. Deceleration. The correct answer is idle running. H2S present in gaseous stream can be removed by adsorption on A. Silica gel. B. Active carbon. C. Bog iron. D. Limestone powder. The correct answer is bog iron. Inhalation of lead compounds present in automobile exhaust using leaded petrol causes A. Blood poisoning. B. Anemia. C. Nervous system disorder. D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Replenishment of dissolved oxygen in water stream polluted with industrial waste occurs by A. Natural aeration of water stream. B. Photosynthetic action of algae. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Aerodynamic noise resulting from turbulent gas flow is the most prevalent source of valve noise in fluid ilow control. It is caused due to A. Reynolds stresses, B. shear forces, C. both A and B, D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Smoke is produced due to A. insufficient supply of combustion air and insufficient time for combustion, B. poor quality of fuel and improper mixing of fuel and combustion air, C. poor design and overloading of furnace, D. all A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Fluorosis, a bone disease, is caused by the presence of high concentration of dash, 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 dash in atmospheric air. A. hydrocarbons, B. hydrogen fluoride, C. hydrogen sulfides, D. nitrogen dioxide. The correct answer is hydrogen fluoride. Threshold limit value TLV is the maximum allowable concentration, i.e. safe limit of pollutants in air. Safe limit for SO2 in air is dash, 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 ppm. A. 5, B. 500, C. 1000, D. 2000. The correct answer is 5. Main pollutants released from iron and steel industry is A. CO2 and SO2, B. H2S NO and SO3, C. CO2H2S and number 2, D. SO3 number 2 and CO2. The correct answer is CO2 and SO2. Exposure to chemicals having carcinogenic properties cause A. dermatitis skin disorder, B. cancer, C. asphyxiation suffocation, D. asthma. The correct answer is cancer. Scale formation in boiler is controlled by A. preheating of feed water, B. reduction in hardness silica and alumina in feed water, C. keeping the pH value of feed water just below 7, D. eliminating H2S in feed water. The correct answer is reduction in hardness silica and alumina in feed water. Noise level heard at a distance of about 100 meters from a jet engine with afterburner is about dash, 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 dash decibels. A. 120, B. 140, C. 170, D. 200. The correct answer is 170. TLV of mercury in potable drinking water is about dash, 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 dash ppm. A. 0.001, B. 0.1, C. 1, D. 5. The correct answer is 0.001, which is the best and the most effective method for the removal of organic contaminant present in the polluted water in very small quantity, say 200 mg liter. A. lagooning, B. activated carbon adsorption, C. biological oxidation pond, D. chemical coagulation. The correct answer is activated carbon adsorption, which is a secondary air pollutant. A. photochemical smog, B. sulfur dioxide, C. nitrogen dioxide, D. dust particles. The correct answer is photochemical smog. Which of the following is the most detrimental for water used in high-pressure boiler? A. silica, B. turbidity, C. phenol, D. dissolved oxygen. The correct answer is silica. Turbidity of water is an indication of the presence of A. suspended inorganic matter, B. dissolved solids, C. floating solids, D. dissolved gases. The correct answer is suspended inorganic matter. Presence of excess fluorine in water causes A. Dental cavity. B. Tooth decay. C. Fluorosis. D. Respiratory disease. The correct answer is fluorosis. Sidrosis is a disease caused by the inhalation of dash, 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 dust. A. Coal. B. Silica. C. Iron. D. None of these. The correct answer is iron. Which of the following pollutants is not emitted during volcanic eruptions? A. SO2. B. H2S. C. CO. D. Hydrocarbons. The correct answer is hydrocarbons. The main pollutant in wastewater discharged from a petroleum refinery is oil, both in free and emulsified form. Free oil is removed by A. Biological oxygen pond. B. Aerated lagoons. C. Trickling filters. D. Gravity separator having oil skimming devices. The correct answer is gravity separator having oil skimming devices. Phenolic water generated in coke ovens and byproduct plant attached to an integrated steel plant containing phenol in concentration of less than 100 mg/liter can be removed by A. Chlorination. B. Treating in biological oxygen pond. C. Chemical coagulation. D. None of these. The correct answer is treating in biological oxygen pond. Which of the following dust collection equipments is the least efficient for submicronic particles? A. Dust catcher gravity type. B. Cyclone separator. C. Bag filter. D. Hollow wet scrubber. The correct answer is dust catcher gravity type. Bag filter design is predominantly dependent on gas temperature, as it affects the gas density and viscosity and the selection of filtering material. The pressure drop in a bag filter is A. Inversely proportional to viscosity of gas. B. Proportional to the viscosity and density of the gas. C. Proportional to the pressure of the gas. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. Dust collection efficiency of a cyclone separator depends upon its A. Diameter. B. Inlet gas velocity. C. Overall height. D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Ionization potential employed in the industrial electrostatic precipitator is of the order of A. 30 to 70 kV DC. B. 30 to 70 kV AC. C. 230 VAC. D. 230 VDC. The correct answer is 30 to 70 kV DC. The widest explosive limit is of dash, 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 thereby making it the most explosive gas. A. Acetylene. B. Petrol vapor. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon monoxide. The correct answer is acetylene. Aerobic biological oxidation ponds used for the purification of polluted water. A. Destroys, removes pathogen from the sewage. B. Is not very effective for non-biodegradable substances, e.g. ABS containing effluents. C. Destroys, removes pathogen much more effectively if the sewage is chlorinated. D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Polluted water having low BOD are most economically treated in A. Sedimentation tanks. B. Oxidation ponds. C. Sludge digester. D. Clarifier. The correct answer is oxidation ponds. Trisodium phosphate is used in boiler water treatment to reduce A. Turbidity. B. Caustic embrittlement. C. Suspended silica. D. Dissolved oxygen. The correct answer is caustic embrittlement. The commonest form of iron and manganese found in groundwater as pollutant is in the form of their A. Carbonates. B. Bicarbonates. C. Chlorides. D. Sulfides. The correct answer is bicarbonates. 80% less than 200 mesh-size particles are called A. Smoke. B. Powder. C. Grit. D. Aggregates. The correct answer is powder. Coal washing wastewater containing about 3% suspended solids comprising of clay, slate, stone etc. is treated for solid particles removal. A. By chemical coagulation. B. In sedimentation tanks equipped with mechanical scraper. C. In vacuum filter. D. In clarifiers. The correct answer is in sedimentation tanks equipped with mechanical scraper. Inhalation of lead compounds present in the automobile exhausts using leaded petrol causes A. Blood poisoning. B. Anemia. C. Nervous system disorder. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. TLV of ozone O3 and phosgene COCl2 in air is dash, 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 ppm. A. 0.1. B. 25. C. 100. D. 1000. The correct answer is 0.1. Most of the atmospheric air pollutants are present in large quantity in A. Stratosphere. B. Thermosphere. C. Troposphere. D. Mesosphere. The correct answer is troposphere. Pick out the wrong statement. A. Caustic embrittlement of boilers' metallic parts is caused by high concentration of caustic soda in boiler feed water. B. Cooling and freezing of water kills the bacteria present in it. C. With increasing boiler operating pressure of steam, the maximum allowable concentration of silica in feed water goes on decreasing. D. Dissolved oxygen content in high-pressure boiler feed water should be nil. The correct answer is cooling and freezing of water kills the bacteria present in it. Pneumoconiosis is a disease caused by the inhalation of dash, 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 dust. A. Coal. B. Uranium ore. C. Iron ore. D. Lime. The correct answer is coal. The ratio of oxygen available to the oxygen required for stabilisation of sewage is called the A. Bacterial stability factor. B. Relative stability. C. Biological oxygen demand board. D. Oxygen ion concentration. The correct answer is relative stability. Pick out the wrong statement. The concentric atmosphere layer just above troposphere is called stratosphere, which is rich in ozone. B. Mesosphere is characterized by very low atmospheric pressure and low temperature. C. Troposphere is a dusty zone containing water vapor and clouds. D. The radio waves used in the long-distance radio communication are reflected back to Earth by stratosphere. The correct answer is the radio waves used in the long-distance radio communication are reflected back to Earth by stratosphere.